Hello, welcome to Uname. My name is David. Uname is a tool that allows the creation of a comprehensive map of everything, encompassing both objective and subjective dimensions, becoming handled to reflect the intricate dynamics of real-world interactions. Elements are the foundation of Uname, capable of representing anything, from a nanoparticle to the entire multiverse, or from a tangible object to an abstract concept, feeling, or force. To be able to interact, elements are placed into relational structures. This map not only illustrates relationships between users, elements, and their interactions, but also reveals the insights elements hold about other elements and the relational structures they are part of. Motors are the driving force of the relational structure. Its meaning is what defines the structure. Elements are placed into relational meanings, which give an extra layer of meaning to the element, defining its role within the relational structure. Uname extends far beyond the functionalities of this rudimentary website I'm going to show you. The reading is where it lies the true potential of Uname. This is Uname index page, where I give a small description about the project. And this is the elements table, where I can see all simple elements of the user. We can search for an element, we can filter by class, by mode, by type, sort by value, and we can create new elements. And this is the element page. We are in the David element. Okay? Every element has this page. We can see class, the modes, type, value, and the description of the element. This is all our users' perspectives. Okay, what the user feels about the elements. Have a demo and click on David is just for CS50 professors to have a demo. Then we can edit the element, characteristics, value, description. We can delete the element, and this is the most important part. To interact with other elements, he needs to enter relational structure. So he can create relations. David can have states. David can belong to other elements. David can have parts. David can do actions, where he is the active element. David can receive happenings, where he is the passive element. David can also have perspective about other elements, and other elements can perceive David. David can be caused by elements, and he can create effects, so he can create other elements. Over here, we can search for one element and see in the relation tables every interactions with David and that element, and these are the relations tables. They are taken from this. David states, for example, we have David is sad, we have head migraines, because head is David's head, it appears in the relational tables. David happy, eyes not seeing well. Then David belongs to the family, and David belongs to Icos. Icos is his job. Parts. David has several parts. David has hobbies, has goals. He also has his body has his head has his eyes. David does actions. David is married to Sophia. David works a lot on the computer, and so on. David also receives happenings. For example, Sophia lips kiss David. Then we have David's perspective about, in this case, CS50X. Then David is perceived by Sophia. Okay. Sophia loves David. And then we have causes. What causes David, or things that belongs to David. Eyes not seeing well causes migraines. Family causes David is happy. David is taking CS50 causes David is happy. David works a lot on the computer causes eyes not seeing well. And then we have effects. For example, eyes not seeing well, David eyes are causing migraines. This is just a small sample of the vision I have. I would love if you professors from CS50 would give a deep look to my README. It would mean a lot to me. And that's it. This is Uname.